Hi, this is a summary for Thursday, May 28th lesson for grade 8. We were working on section 2. So we started with a review of the 2015 WHMIS symbols, and we played a Kahoot to go with it to help check our understanding to make sure we knew what the different symbols were. Okay, so that's an important one. If you're looking for it, it's in the lab safety section of the grade 9 page actually. Okay, so there's a link to it on section 2 for us. Okay, in section 1, sorry. Then I ran through what section 2 is going to be about. This classifying substances bubble chart at the top is going to take a full day. And we talked for a little while about solubility. So if you were going to do something for homework, what you want to do is you want to ask nicely if your parents don't mind putting some iced tea crystals or juice crystals on the grocery list, or maybe some Skittles, so you can try this out yourself. Okay, so you put hot water here, cold water here, and I talked about what the variables were. And then we spent some time briefly going over the particle model of matter, which was a grade 7 concept. And then we did presentation C. Okay, so we looked at this PowerPoint right here, okay, about solubility, where we went over what a fluid was. Yeah, let me make that bigger for you. Okay, uses of fluids, properties of fluids, we didn't go into in a lot of detail, okay, because we moved on to solubility. So looking at the differences between the solubility of salt or sugar were our main examples, and then learning what we can do to change how soluble something is. Okay, so this slide right here was an important one. And then what type of solute is also something that we gave some examples for. Okay, so if you can go through that presentation C and watch the Skittles video, it's like 3 seconds. Okay, and get some juice crystals for homework. That would be great. Okay, so with your WHMIS 2015, that's what you need to do. Thanks, bye.